Hello my dear friends, after quite a while is my time to upgrade. I really wanted a better camera. So here, let's unbox this. Should be Canon R8. Canon R8 is for me a very good everyday camera, not the best, but for what I need it, like everyday YouTube, whatever, reviewing fragrances. And not only this one, it's a great purchase even if you are a photographer. But for a second camera, my dream is to buy Canon R5, but it's so expensive, and also the professional lenses are very, very expensive. But that's my dream camera so far. And Canon R8 is a great camera because it's recording 4K 60 oversampled from 6K, and plenty of details in the video for sure. And we have a strap, we have a battery charger, the wire, and let's see what we have here. Here should be actually the lens. No, here is the Canon R8, and here it's actually the lens. And as a difference, let me show you the sensor. So my R10, it's having this sensor, which is alright and was alright, but let me show you the R8 sensor. So this one, R8, it's a full frame camera, and of course it's going to help me in a low light scenario, more details, better quality. And I know mostly of the settings, because always I'm recording on my YouTube channel in manual mode. And let's put the lens back here. This one is from here. That's the battery. And maybe I'm thinking to sell my R10, which I paid 1100, so I paid 1.1k for this one. If I get 500 pounds, I'll be more than happy. This camera never had a drop or something like that, so it's amazing. All right, so all right. I'm going to pause the video for a second. All right, so I managed to turn on the camera. We have here a couple of settings. This, I think, is the video mode, and look at this. This is a quite good lens. It's not the best, but it's going to get the job done. This is a quite okay lens, and I like to use the camera in manual mode, so I'm going to switch it on manual mode from here. And now I'm going, let's say, to increase the brightness. Yeah, something like that. So right now it's a bit more brighter. It's a difference. So I like to use my camera in the manual mode. Yeah, it's not that bad. That's great. And also I'll show you something. Now I swapped the lens to a much brighter lens, a bigger aperture, so I can go with the aperture like that. So for the same ISO, look how brighter my image got. So this is a very good thing. Yeah, really happy for my purchase. As I said, I'm looking forward to sell my R10. If I get 500 pounds for this one, I'll be more than happy. Really happy for my Canon R8 full frame camera. So very happy. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, take care of you guys. Bye bye.